Welcome to a world of elegance, sophistication, and limitless possibility. Nestled in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods, this luxury estate is a $3.5 million masterpiece, a dream home with everything you've ever wanted and more. Let's step inside. As you arrive, you're greeted by a stunning facade, a harmonious blend of timeless architecture and modern design. Sweeping landscaped grounds stretch out around you, framed by mature trees and manicured hedges. The circular driveway guides you elegantly to the grand double doors, a fitting introduction to the luxury within. Every detail was deliberately chosen: imported stone, floor-to-ceiling windows, and custom millwork that instantly signals this isn't just a house, it's a legacy. Stepping through the front door, you enter the heart of the home, a soaring foyer with vaulted ceilings that draw your gaze upward, creating a sense of grandeur the moment you walk in. The living room is flooded with natural light thanks to expansive windows that frame the surrounding greenery. A dramatic fireplace anchors the space, offering a warm focal point for intimate gatherings or quiet evenings. Just off the living area, the formal dining room features a statement chandelier and enough space to host lavish dinners. Imagine your guests settling in, fine wine in hand, laughter echoing around you. And here, the chef's kitchen. Carrara marble countertops, a massive waterfall island, state-of-the-art appliances, and custom Italian cabinetry. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just love to entertain, this is the kitchen that inspires greatness. Let's head upstairs, where the private quarters await, each room thoughtfully designed with luxury and comfort in mind. The primary suite is nothing short of a sanctuary. With floor-to-ceiling windows, a private balcony overlooking the gardens, and a cozy sitting area, it's the kind of space where you wake up feeling like royalty. The ensuite bathroom rivals a five-star spa. A freestanding tub bathed in sunlight, dual vanities, and a rain-head shower that transforms every morning into a ritual of indulgence. Additional bedrooms are equally inviting, spacious, serene, and brimming with natural light. Walk-in closets, high ceilings, elegant finishes, every detail crafted to elevate daily living. But this home doesn't just stop at beautiful bedrooms. Downstairs, you have a dedicated wellness wing. Your private gym comes complete with mirrored walls and top-tier equipment. Next door sits a state-of-the-art home theater with plush seating and immersive sound design, perfect for movie nights, private screenings, or just relaxing in style. And for the connoisseur, a climate-controlled wine cellar holds a curated collection. Picture intimate tastings here, surrounded by the glow of soft lighting and fine bottles. The home office or library is a refined space where business and inspiration meet. Rich wood paneling, built-in bookshelves, and a serene atmosphere that allows you to focus or unwind with your favorite book. Moving outside, the resort-style grounds truly shine. A sweeping terrace provides the perfect vantage point, whether you're hosting guests, enjoying a morning coffee, or watching the sunset. The infinity pool feels like it blends right into the horizon. Built-in lounges, ambient lighting, and water features elevate it from a simple backyard pool to a private oasis. Just steps away, an outdoor kitchen and dining area invite you to entertain under the stars. And when the evening cools, the cozy fire pit is waiting, perfect for storytelling, stargazing, or simply being present. This home isn't just about luxury, it's about lifestyle. Imagine morning strolls through landscaped gardens, evenings on the terrace with a chilled glass of wine, or weekends by the pool with friends and family. It's a sanctuary designed for connection, relaxation, and inspiration. You're enveloped in privacy, yet you're minutes away from high-end shopping, world-class dining, and recreational amenities. It's the rare balance of seclusion and convenience. This $3.5 million estate doesn't just check every box, it raises the bar. From its impeccable design to its state-of-the-art amenities and breathtaking grounds, it's a once-in-a-lifetime home that invites you to live your dream every single day. If you're ready to explore this property in person or to discover more extraordinary homes like this, contact us for a private tour. Your dream home is waiting.